Talofa love everyone, we are back again with another vlog. It's been a while, but we are here to stay. Today we will be at White Sunday practice, so you'll see a lot of that today, as well as Deverell's pre-ball. So you don't want to miss out. Stay tuned and enjoy. See ya! Okay, this is us before White Sunday. Ilunga, ilunga.
If you're 20 or 30 plus and you're still doing White Sunday, y'all are the real MVP.
May lomet sama. Oia, foi.
Ula kaka. Ai ula ni. Awal we test pay ngayon na abs. Hoje vai formar mesmo como esse meu na fechou.
Yay!
Let's practice for my Sundays to enjoy and
We have just finished my Sunday practice. We are now getting ready for we're going to Deverell's pre-ball. So stay tuned. Bye. They're celebrating Tina's birthday with ice cream. So practice is now finished for today. We are now making our way to the pre-ball. Stay tuned.
Bad man carry another. Defame one time on the vibe, yo. Every woman took a loan, so reason to be down. Every look at them me do got me counting my blessings. For the air that I breathe from my friends and my families. Bad man I feel going with it, but I swear I'm not stressing. Cause you see where we are come from. Like a once upon the other. I see me from sun up to sundown. Praying that the blessings that come.
We run the world. Vamos con él. Ritmo, cintura, rodilla, el piso va y pasa el lindo. Nos fuimos fuera. Vamos con él. Ritmo, cintura, rodilla, el piso va y pasa el lindo.
Smile, dance, dad. Just dance. Hey, wait.
cintura, rodilla al piso, va y pasa lindo. Igual controlándome. Vamos con el ritmo, cintura, rodilla al piso, va y pasa lindo. Lindo. Esto está como pa' rumbear, pa' pasarla caliente con toda mi gente. Nos favorece el sol, tu bronceado y el calor. No puede estar mejor. Suma. Esto está como pa' rumbear, pa' bailar lo caliente, de espalda y de frente. Nos favorece el sol, tu bronceado y el calor. No puede estar mejor. Bailando así es que me gusta, como la cintura ritmo se ajusta, es que me tiene loco tanta soltura. Ese movimiento es una dulzura. No importa la bandera, se formó y sal pa' afuera. Aquí cabe todo el que quiera. No lo pare ahora, dime mano arriba, no la dejes. Seguimos hasta el amanecer. Mi vida llegando de Aruba, causando la temperatura. Yo te vi bailando lindo. Margarita, puerta en la esquina, DJ pa' la bocina, así todo llega por el ritmo. Porque esto está como pa' rumbear, pa' pasarla caliente con toda mi gente. Nos favorece el sol, tu bronceado y el calor. No puede estar mejor. Suma. Esto está como pa' rumbear, pa' bailar lo caliente, de espalda y de frente. Nos favorece el sol, tu bronceado y el calor. No puede estar mejor. Suma. Masivo. Daddy Yankee, yo. Masivo. Daddy Yankee, yo. Ladies looking like supermodels. Everybody's up in here popping bottles. Break it up, full throttle. Just like this, no
I sing for you when I be like
Seen a lot of women, but God took his time on you. Pretty brown skin girl, prettiest in the room. Been around the world, but I always seem to come back to. I come back to my roots. Maybe it's in your face, maybe it's in your ways, maybe it's in your lungs.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you've all enjoyed spending the day with us at church for White Sunday practice as well as Deverell's pre-ball. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you later.